Today, I will show you how to ferment tomatoes using the traditional method. Fermented tomatoes contain live probiotics and antioxidants. This is achieved through lacto-fermentation in brine rather than traditional pickling in vinegar. Place into the jar dill heads and garlic, cut in half to better infuse the brine with flavor. To add a special flavor, I also always include horseradish root and leaves. There are no strict proportions. I just use plenty of everything. Arrange the tomatoes and place the same spices, dill, garlic, and horseradish on top again. Fermented tomatoes helps break down the plant cell walls, which can make key antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C easier for your body to use. You can also add cherry and currant leaves. It's optional though. It will be good without them too. Pour the brine over everything using a ratio of 2 tablespoons of salt per liter of water. The salt doesn't have to dissolve completely in the water right away. Just dissolve a little bit and pour the rest on top. It will definitely dissolve later. It is important that the water completely covers the tomatoes. Otherwise, the uncovered portion will not ferment properly and will spoil. Also, unwanted mold can form on the surface during fermentation. To prevent this, sprinkle the top generously with mustard powder. This will stop anything harmful from developing on the surface. Leave them in a warm place for 10 days, then move them to the refrigerator for long-term storage. You can keep there for up to 6 months, but I'm sure you'll eat them sooner. Besides being healthy, fermented tomatoes are delicious. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in the next video.